Welcome to my channel Solman Stories. It's all about SAP Solution Manager. Today we look into change request management end user roles. End user roles correspond to the change request management. So in CHARM, the change request management is a standard process workflow followed in handling the request for change and their corresponding change document types. Every step within this process workflow is associated with an end user role. Corresponding SAP standard authorization roles are mapped to these end user roles. Every organization will adapt to these standard end user roles templates. Who is a requester? Is a person who creates the request for change and initiates the CHARM process. Requester can either be a power user for the SAP systems, end user or analyst, or a member for the support team. He is who provides sufficient information for the change. And the change manager, he is responsible for validating the request for change for all the technical details provided by the requester, description and determine the scope of the request. And he is authority to approve or reject the request for change so that it continues with the next flow of actions. And here comes the developer. Both the change manager approves the request for change. The resulting change document is assigned to the respective developer. Implements the change in the development system, and the change is assigned to a transport request which is created from and assigned to the respective change document. And the tester, post change is imported into the test system. The tester tests the change. If the test is successful, then confirms the status in the change document. Otherwise, the change is returned to the development. An IT operator are the responsible for transporting changes into systems, and they are from SAP basis team and responsible for basis actions during the transport import. An administrator. The administrator is a power user who can perform all tasks for all available users in the change request management process. They can change all the relevant transactions and configurations. Change advisory board, it's a steering committee that approves the budget and scope. In standard process, change manager is entered as the approver. However, you can enter the additional business partner as CAB if you required. Service employees or the service desk employees, they are as a L1 or L2 employees who serves as in service transactions. Like if a problem, an incident or service request is created and corresponding the change document associated is created to that incident. And thanks a lot for watching, and look forward for more videos on SAP Solution Manager. Like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to comment if you have any questions.